This is history. Wave your flags. 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 And the white. I want to see 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 the white.
Anyone we talk say Ingo carry sand put for our gari, it don't fail. Finally, Ghana scored. Sincerely speaking, I'm very excited. Guys, come, let's join Ghanaians and celebrate this, because indeed it's something to be celebrated, guys. With me here, I have videos of Ghanaians and Nigerians, saying their mind before and after the match. Guys, let's get right into it. And please, at the end of it, kindly drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's watch.
Quick update. The match between Ghana and Comoros first half has just ended. And you can see that the match bite, hunger is not there. The urgency is not in the players. I don't know what is going on. Maybe because they are playing in front of their home fans. I don't know. But that urgency is not there. If Ghana holds the ball, it's like they are relaxed, inviting Comoros players to come and get the ball. But so far, to be honest with you, Ayu has been doing a yeoman job, taking the ball to the Comoros players, which is a fantastic job from him as a captain. But this first half is not impressive. I expected this team to go all out and win this game. Just like the game against Central African Republic, the Ghanaians were so slow in the first half. But the second half, they woke up. Hopefully in this game, in the second half, they will wake up and then they will get the job done. Although a point is enough for the Black Stars to qualify for the World Cup. To me, I don't think that is enough for the Black Stars. They need to do better and finish on a high note. Forget about you qualifying with a point, but you need to do better and finish on a high note. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you are satisfied with just a point, when they have the opportunity to win the game outrightly.
Jonathan, on Shani, Jonathan, on Shani, me man can, mon pama Jonathan say. That's why also you say Ghana and Nigeria for Niembano. Only Nigerian from film. Yen de ye ba America. Ye ba so anyete ebedwane o. Ye be support Brasta. Ye be support a team. Ama a team akwanim. So we are not thinking about Brasta. We are not thinking about America. We are not thinking about Jonathan. We are thinking about Ghana Blaster, that Ghana Blaster will obey the cap about Ghana. Any drone.
About an game, no, you know, Comoros, Holland.
Nyame boy Radepa. Last time I 5 minutes, no, make I say between me and 4. By 5. They say, I tell you, they are working. Come on, Omuni is on Kang. By then, I'm a praying. I'm yet then. I got some of me as one more 10 seasons. Now, Kota Debran went to me and Kwaswamba. Also at Canayilano. So I've been a better yom. And to come on, you have much about Bayano. Inshallah, the mama more tray one.
Nti ara no so be share just ye kasa kasa wani. Ah. We share na mu de me ni bra mpese me di asakura.
Asa mat na e just watch. E ko kiti bio. E ko kiti bi. Now so mat to Ghana then South Africa pa internet bio. Ana bi e pray. Ko pa e say, let's say. E ba ma get you right. Ghana your best shop tomorrow be 2-0. 2-0 pet.
Oh, we near. You got to watch it. Why? Martin. And you there 2-0 Ghana.
Ghana be say 2 and then World Cup ni ka dey say ye winner we into we no e nije bro so na
mo call you
into almost the 2 pet no mo dey
go 5
there be 5 ni dey ya generals Ghana Comoros e dey by prediction say to ban me ba Ghana be say 1 year
Ghana be say 1
Comoros apomo dey IBA me pomo dey 2-1 into 1 league
so all we need better watch right
1 year no win
oh Ghana dey say kuna Ghana no dey say share 5 yeah mo be 3 3-0
so you say sure
oh they say 5 then but they can win 8 you go World Cup if of course na Ghana you hear World Cup you say 3 na you close game
all we need better watch right
Mati
Code Mickey team Black Stars ye sudden victories na eba ya kwamo Asamoah Gyan Dimutintima oye a major contributing factor na me do ba be wura mu. He is blessed with some aura ministries be or the shijama ebe foul. See ya shijama amana charge ni pani moral no when you believe that confidence that you can face any battle give it to Asamoah Gyan. No captain Black Stars even before no a captain no lead jama no. Ya de ko share share bia ni duru World Cup the way amadi jama be ba na a unify boys ni na. E be duru be na sade na free team ni mu. And I think that we all overlooked it. The free team ni mu. Jama no e ya de bia on say e kaya ho as black people. Ya sini sa it ma wa adwene no e move you duru realms bi ma feel say you are fully prepared for it. The penifo na tena se say no. Bibi eye missing because the enko boys ne ba no be bo excitement bibi ani wa e bondi omo e no mo sa chi Asamoah Gyan aba obi abetuma shijama ba say obi e shi amana pick you light you up no e talent a nyame de adua binum e na Asamoah Gyan is one of them so jira wonima onye ne bebre o steez bi a obesi relax ya ade na owura ba bia you feel his presence ono so ne dia nyame de amano no Thomas ade na ba omo ko Morocco go face Central African Republic go pie mo ho e and works ni be man light boys no and I'm telling you say e can be any winning matches no and na ye ne Comoros no be say light we can light bi Ghana me wo wuram no works ni be ni but we are relax you gina oh we relaxing go bi na be si jama no hurihuri we relax ade ne dua ni mu how ko be switch nyom no Odonya kupona za ondo ni ya onia na woyo torofo ti say na fa baby ha technical team your players or na fa baby ha na eja ona move to me oh na eja ona move to me 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 buwa ye na jonya me buwa ye na jonya me buwa ye na jonya to ye ni say ya na was smoothing grounds so na nanom bibia ya frɛ ya invoking bibia wo wiase o si eja wo na wo tumi o de ayie ntontom ama okese no na se buaye na no nyame buaye boa eno so ofrɛ that divinity so mo nyina emra me boa the rise charge boys no Se we kura watimi wakame bi wo boys ni ntema bebi se no mu nyina ahia bom no e repair sa ne ma ne nyina wa ye na gonya me la nya me ya kasi nya me ya kasi nya me ya kasi make me Christmas ah ma Very well, lower tempo, no. So, if you so free, how could it make you free? You want to cry, baby? Into power. Yeah. To issue our light, baby, it brings victory. It brings victory to legend. Somewhere John Deere on so the light in your app. No, I'm say my dream. A course aside. I bow here, thank you.